Say subscribe. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really cool video because I have in front of me the Halloween mystery bag from Jeffreestarcosmetics. So I am really excited to get this, and I have not opened it yet. So if that's something that you want to see, then please keep on watching. Okay, so I've went ahead and pre-opened my box so I don't get in trouble with the steak knife of many functions and make a big old fool of myself. But so we're gonna go ahead right in, dig in and get started, because if you've been around, been a Jeffree Star fan for a long time, you know that he did the most killer Halloween mystery boxes. So they were just something to look forward to for Halloween. It seems to me like, you know, Halloween's one of my favorite holidays, but it's all Christmas. So Christmas just keeps getting pushed further and further back. I have just got about a week ago, I got a pre-Black Friday ad from Tarte for 40% off. It's like, really? It's Halloween. Don't be so hangry. Whatever. So getting back to this, Jeffree used to do the best mystery boxes, and Halloween was just probably one of the best that he did for the year. But he doesn't do those anymore, but he still does the Halloween mystery bags, which I am super excited. In fact, the sweatshirt I have on is a Halloween Jeffree Star sweatshirt. So, but right at the top here, we have a nice picture of Jeffree with the Cowgirl Queen artistry palette. And that is so cute. Look at him. He's just so hysterical. He makes me laugh. He makes you happy. You know, I love Jeffree. I've been following Jeffree since his very early YouTube days, and actually he is probably the person most responsible for inspiring me to go ahead and start a little YouTube channel. Now, I don't have the personality of Jeffree Star, however I do really enjoy beauty, and another person I can kind of you know, hold responsible for that love of beauty is my mother, who we just passed her 8-year anniversary of her passing away. And my mother was a very beautiful woman, and we loved to watch her put on her makeup. And I remember always having to wait for her patiently as she was getting ready. She's always the last one to get ready. So anyway, let's go ahead and I will thank my mom, thank Jeffree Star, and we will get into this box. Okay, so we have the pretty pink tissue paper. His stuff is always packaged so beautifully. And I also, before we get into the bag, which is, oh, it's here. Woo, look at that color. I got the purple one. So there was a purple and then a red option, and I got the purple because I love purple. And he would have had a black one. Now, I have a black one, I think, from last year with the little wings on it, the bag. So I got the purple one. And I also picked up this mirror, and this is the coffin shaped one, and I just absolutely had to have this. It's just so unique and so cute, and I will open it up for you here so you can see what it looks like. And I left my steak knife of many functions on the other side of my table, so we're going to open this sticker. I used to take these stickers and put them on the back of my computer. Just painfully pick them off, and then I'd put them on the back of my computer. I had all kinds of them on there. I don't have that computer anymore, but yeah, that was kind of funny. You get software engineers, and they have all kinds of, you know, software convention stickers on the back of their computers, and I had a bunch of Jeffree Star stickers, so it shows you my creativity. So you open this up, and that's what it looks like inside. And then this is the mirror. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, and it's like a black velvet. Has a velvet feel to it. There you go. Very soft, and has the star logo. And it has a, you know, coffin-shaped mirror on the other side, which I won't blast you guys by turning it around, but that's it. Very nice hand mirror for putting on makeup, I must say. I use these every day. Every day I have a Jeffree Star mirror in my hand. They have just a, you know, I never used hand mirrors before, but once I got these, I can't put them down. I use them all the time. Okay, with that BSing out of the way, we will open up the main star here. Now, I've seen a few sneak peeks from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, which might what be in the bag. But I haven't watched any videos or looked anywhere else to see anybody else open this up. Let's put this over here. But there it is. Has little bat wings on it. So cute. In the back has a little clip. You could hang a little charm or something here, your keys or whatever. There's also a little pocket in the front with another little clip in here. I don't know if you can see this little clip, but you could clip something in here. It's like just like the one on the back. And there's a little pocket on the front. Wonder if this is a purse. We'll see. I don't know. I thought it was a makeup bag. What's it say? It says a cosmetic bag. There's a little star covered with plastic there. And I'm going to take a little peek in here and see what we... Oh! Ooh, I'm happy already. Already peeking in the bag. I'm thrilled. Now, I must say, one of the biggest features of these bags is his exclusives. So most of the time, the exclusives are worth the price of the bag alone. And most of the time, he only puts exclusives in the bag. So I have quite a few exclusives that I've got just through mystery bags throughout the years that he hasn't made or you know, put out for purchase anywhere else. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. The very first thing I see is a Jeffree Star Cosmetics Magic Candy Liquid Blush in the color Cherry, which I do not have. So I'm absolutely thrilled to get that. His liquid blushes are just the best. They're easy to blend. They're pigmented. They're just gorgeous. They're a dream, just a dream to work with. One of the best liquid blushes that I've used. So I'm absolutely thrilled to have that. Next, I see an eye gloss, and this is in the shade Prom Night. And I do not have this. So I'm absolutely thrilled to have that. I think this is a pink, but we'll see. Okay, next thing I see in here is a little mini Spooky Glamour. And it looks like it's a dark teal liquid lipstick. Yeah, this is a mini velour liquid lipstick in Spooky Glamour. That is an exclusive because I know he doesn't have the shade and it's like a dark teal. And what this would be really pretty for is an eyeliner. So you can use his liquid lipsticks as eyeliner. So that's nice to have, especially for Halloween. That's a nice color for Halloween. Next, I see, ooh, a Gothic Beach eyeliner. Yes, beach proof eyeliner. And this is in Gothic Beach. It's a black. And these are great. His eyeliners are really nice. So I'm really happy to have that. And next, I see a velour liquid lip liner. And look at this. It's in Weirdo. So this is in the black Weirdo. Ha! Ooh. I don't have this. And I believe he just redid all his lip liners. So these are new. Yeah, this packaging is different. Totally different than his old packaging. So this is a brand new. And it's, of course, black. And you could use this as an eyeliner as well. Other than, you know, a lip liner. So yeah, I'm thrilled. Absolutely thrilled to have that. So there we go. And next I see in here, what on earth would that be? Okay, so we have a Jeffree Star Cosmetics Skin Frost Highlighting Blush, and this is in the color Mulberry Motive. And I'm going to have to open this so you guys can see this. So this is exclusive. He doesn't sell this on his website. This will be an exclusive for this bag. Because I know I haven't seen this. And I don't have it. I think I have about all of his Skin Frost blushes. Oh boy, look at that. Just beautiful. Very wearable. Very, very pretty. And these things are absolutely fantastic. I'll do a little swatch here. There we go. You can see that. Stunning. Absolutely stunning. And I love these. I wear these a lot. And they're just beautiful. And the pans are huge. You'd have this for 100 years if, you know, the blush will be around longer than you will. Let's put it that way. So, and then that's even lighter. So you can see I did a pretty heavy swatch here. And I just finished what was on my finger over here. So you can just see the versatility of it. These also make good eyeshadows, but I love, love, love them as blushes. So let's see what else we got. What are you? Are you stickers? Yep, so we have a Halloween sticker pack, and they're very big stickers. So maybe I'll deck out my new work computer with these. I don't know. I work from home, so no one would see them, but they're cute. And then, what is this here wrapped up? Oh, there's more at the bottom yet, too. Oh my gosh. How cute is this? It's a little mini mirror. It has a little bat on it. And we all know I love bats. I am a bat fan. I have bats up in my house all year long. I just love bats. So let me open this so you can see it. Just look at the little bat. Can you see that bat? Oh, so cute. And it's purple, which I love. It's a little mini mirror. I will turn it around because there's a cover on it, so you won't get blinded. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. This would be nice also to hang on a purse, on the end of your purse. Really, really cute. Oh, I just love that. That is just, see, that's the thing about his mystery bags. You get all these little goodies that you're not going to get them anywhere else. And I see one more thing. So this is another mini velour liquid lipstick, and this one is called Firehouse Pole. So I don't recall this shade. I think this might be an exclusive. So I think the exclusives are these and this blush here. I'm just going to kind of guess, just because I have a lot of Jeffree Star, and I know that these already exist, this, and this. And then also we get a little bonus with the Weirdo, because this is a brand new reformatted lip liner. So that's a little bit of a bonus there. And I guess I'll open up these lipsticks and give you a little swatch so you can see the color. Now I think this is, yeah, it is a dark, like tealish green, because we all know that I am not a fan of green. However, if that's more on the teal side, I would wear it as a eyeliner. Then we have this Firehouse Pole, and that's a very wearable shade. So we'll give it a little swatcheroo. There, ooh, nice. It's on the warm side, a little darker than I thought that it would be. And then we'll do this one. This is Spooky Glamour. And it looks like it's going to be green. Oh, it's a funny green. There you go. It's more of a deep forest green. There we go. All right. So I probably won't wear it. However, I have a huge Jeffree Star collection, and I am very happy to have it. And I know that that's a very popular Halloween color, so it makes sense that he would put that in there. And so we're going to recap everything that we got in this beautiful little bag, which I love this bag. I love the little extra flap and things on it. And I have quite a few of his bags. I absolutely love them, and they're great to travel. So we got the, ooh, let's open this up actually, this prom night, and see what it looks like. If I can open things from the bottom, I do, just to avoid having to tear open a seal. But I don't think I'm going to be able to get that lucky with this one. Oh, I can't get it open, and I don't want to tear the box. All right. Looks like I'm going to have to get the steak knife of multifunctions here, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So we're going to open this eye gloss in prom night, and I have my steak knife of multifunctions, as I call it. My son always makes fun of me. He's like, you use that for everything. Shouldn't use that like that. And I'm like, you do as I say, not as I do. How's that for you? They never get too old for you to tell them that either. Seems like when your kids get older, they seem like they want to always be telling you what to do, you know. But that's okay. I love my son dearly. He's a great kid. Okay, and I'm right. This is a pink. See the side. And of course we're going to swatch it. Oh yeah, nice. Beautiful shade. I don't have this one. Oh my goodness. Well, that, oh boy, that is just beautiful. Is on the bottom. Very, very beautiful. Very wearable. All seasons of the year. That one. Love it. I know his shade of lipstick in Prom Night is very, very bright pink. So I knew this would be pink, but that is so, so beautiful. Love it. Love, love, love. All right, let's get back to our recap. So we got the eye gloss in the shade Prom Night back in the bag. We have the Magic Candy liquid blush in Cherry back in the bag. Then we have the Beach Proof eyeliner in Gothic Beach, which is black. We have the new Velour liquid lip liner in Weirdo, which is black. We have the Firehouse Pole mini liquid lipstick, which is this shade here. We have the Spooky Glamour mini liquid lipstick, and that's the green here. We have this beautiful, beautiful mulberry motive, and that is the Skin Frost blush. I'll open it one more time for you. That is there. Back in the bag. We have got a set of stickers, Halloween stickers, which are adorable. And then we have this cute little mirror, this little mini mirror with the little bat charm, which I love. And I see here that there's a clip. There's a clip on it. So you can unclip this little bat like that to get it clipped onto things. So it unclips right here. And that is all. So did you pick up this mystery bag from Jeffree Star? If you did, let me know in the comments. Do I think it's worth it? Absolutely. Absolutely worth the money. The exclusives and that, you know, that blush and, you know, the things that he won't, you know, make any other time. The fun of it. The just a little extra something for Halloween for the big kids. I absolutely love it. And I love the mirror too. So you will be seeing this in future videos. So thank you for taking the time to watch my video. If you liked what I did here, please like and subscribe. And let me know if you picked up this bag and what you think. And thanks again, and we will see you in the next one.